Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Casper Network. Casper has been cooking. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Casper, its community, and official handles in real time. Let's find out, folks. So let me take you through these new posts. CP Nasty, some technicals 4 hours ago, my thoughts for Casper. By the way, I'm going to be sharing with you a really interesting post over here, a video. House of Chimera. Are you looking for an interesting layer 1 anon? Casper Network has been cooking lately, with Casper 2.0 coming up relatively shortly. Let Michael explain what Casper is and what makes it different from existing layer 1s. So this is a video we're going to be looking at in a moment, but let's first see what's happening with the community. So my thoughts for Casper, the volume profiles also align with this zigzag correction. Macro correction is over, microwave 2 correction coming to an end. Hodl glory is coming, boys. Folks, the overall market is really volatile. It might even go lower depending on the market sentiment, but if the market stabilizes, then I mean this can be a good call as well. Let's see how it goes, because at the moment the entire market has been dipping, correcting. Look at this, the zigzag correction, the Elliott wave A, B, C, and then next wave 1. You know the third wave is the longest, so this is the second wave. If wave 3 is coming, then this is the impulsive move, possible start of a bullish move. Yeah, this is the bullish move. It has started. Basically, if it has indeed started, this will continue the bullish move. Let me rephrase it. The third wave the highest, and then a correction, and then the fifth wave over here. I mean, a really great move if it happens. Start of bear for Casper. So yeah, cool technicals over here. Okay, this is crypto charts Casper. I saw Casper is back down to 1.1 cents. Good luck trying to make money. Okay. Anyways, a lot of proponents. The others are skeptics, but crypto charged, to be honest, is a huge proponent and advocate. Make money. Don't ignore staking. It is a must. The best staking options available that we take advantage of is Casper on Casper Live, HBAR via hashback.app, and API3 on the api3.org/DAO. Staking isn't just about rewards. It secures the network and ensures what? Ensures... Okay, where is it? And it secures the network and ensures long-term success. Yeah, obviously, staking is there for a reason, and it secures network. Crypto 101, proof of stake 101, basically. Make sure you're staking in native pools to avoid unnecessary risks. Always verify protocols. Yeah, one thing that you need to be careful of are scams. You do not need to click on unnecessary websites, that's for sure. Watch out for validator commissions and don't trust random links. This is what we're talking about. Security matters. If you're in crypto for the long run, staking isn't optional. It indeed is essential, folks. So watch this video as well from Crypto Charged over here. I've told you time and again that yeah, they are truly proponents of Casper, of HBAR. Both of them we cover. Do check it out. reversal up. Are you ready to buy more? This is 18 hours ago, by the way. I do not know what the price is at the moment, but I am just speculating. I'm assuming that it might have reached these levels. To be honest, this support base over here, the buying level. So yeah, the market dipped extensively. The latest Casper fans lucky raffle is complete. Engagement with the community is important for any project. This is a Casper Nigeria community. Casper is global. It has got community members all across the world, be it Africa, be it Asia, anywhere. According to this post, BTC will 5x, Ethereum will 9x, Casper will 200x. Do you believe it? Be prepared. This year, I'm doubtful. If you've known me, you know that I tend to be a bit conservative regarding prices because I'll look at stuff in the longer time frame, even decades, 1, 2 decade. I'm sort of the conventional investor. If I'm investing in something that if I'm hodling it, I'll leave it. I reach my target, accumulate DCA or accumulate, and then when I reach the target, you need to hodl for a certain amount of months or years. Long-term mindset. This is just my take on it. It's really difficult for me to go for those day trading strategies. A lot of buying and selling quickly. I know a lot of people increase their bag size. They sell at a certain point and then rebuy a lot. Obviously, I get tempted with that as well because now, while we're seeing the prices at the moment, one thinks that we should have sold at a certain level. But sometimes it becomes difficult. The euphoria when an investment reaches a certain level, it becomes really difficult to sell at that point, folks. So it is really difficult, at least for me. Although I know of certain levels, I see the technicals, but it still is difficult. So everyone has their own strategy. Anyways, the tech is future proof. Great investment, easy 20 to 50x, awesome team, developers, leadership. The leadership of Michael indeed has been good ever since they've taken over with Casper 2.0 getting closer to mainnet launch. We saw this one in the last one. Let's see the official handle as well while we're at it, and then we can go on and check this video out, folks. This seems interesting. Okay, multi-sig on Casper Network helps you secure your assets with weighted keys and approval thresholds. Available on Casper Live, perfect for teams and enterprises needing multiple approvals for transactions and contracts. Stay secure and in control. Awesome. What else do we have? Anything new? Okay, Casper community, bring your best questions, driving value back to the community, not insiders. This is Matt Shafnet. Are you headed to ETH Denver as well? Looking forward to connecting if you're also be in town. Lots of exciting things to explore this year. I think it already happened, folks. The ETH Denver. Okay, what else do we have? Official Killer Whales. You guys can check out this trailer. 1 minute long. You can check this out. Okay, what else do we have? Yeah, anyways, let's now check this video out that we've highly anticipated video, what Michael has to say. Okay, let me increase the volume because oftentimes I forget it and then I have to make the video again, so we shouldn't be doing that. Anyways, yeah.
Casper was very much founded with a view that none of the blockchains out there were particularly focused on or well equipped to serve serious enterprise projects, right? Like just like ringtones and NFTs, like there are these fun sort of essentially meaningless consumer-focused apps where nobody cares if they go down for minutes, hours, or days, or if there's a bad customer support or if the application crash. I mean, there's all these things that can happen to sort of B2C apps, right? That you cannot afford when you're servicing a trillion or multi-trillion-dollar industry. So that's sort of where Casper started. Like, how can we design a blockchain from the ground up that serves the enterprise industry? And that has resulted in a lot of things that are still very much part of our DNA. Meaning, first of all, the sort of the stack, right? Like enterprises have typically hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of software engineers in their service already. Um, Most likely, none of them, let's say, speak Solidity, right? It's just not something that the traditional enterprise software engineer has in their toolkit. Um, so we should meet them where they are, and that's what we did by having a WebAssembly based execution engine that and libraries and FFIs for Rust, which is one of the most popular sort of general purpose languages out there. And technically, you can use any sort of language that compiles to WebAssembly to develop smart contracts on Casper Network. And then secondly, what else is important for enterprises? Well, it has to become part of their software development processes, right? And software development processes in enterprises mean a couple things. First of all, very much a focus on testing, right? And testing coverage and unit tests and things like that. So Casper ships with a complete testing harness that's completely part of like how you develop smart contracts. So every piece of code that you develop for your smart contracts, you will have associated test coverage with quite easily. And again, very much a requirement when you're developing enterprise level applications. And similarly,
Okay, I do not know why account this happens time and again. You have to pass this challenge. Okay. Authenticate. They, I think, check out if we're bots or not. Using the arrows, pick the group of rocks that has the amount indicated. Okay, four, yeah. Let me submit it. Okay, so 4 times, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I seem like a bot. Okay, 6. Done. 5. Yeah, already 5. Done. 7. Where is 7? This is 7. Let me submit. Yeah, congratulations. Okay, try again. What is this? I mean, annoying as anything. I indeed seem like a bot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do not want to be incorrect this time. I hope you're having fun. Sorry for the inconvenience. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to make sure everything is correct this time. Okay. 4, 4, 4. Yeah. Third, done. The last one. We have to make sure we are right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I am correct this time. Yeah, I'm human. Congratulations. Oh, okay. Account unlocked. Thankfully, I'm not a bot. Where did it go? I mean, yeah, sorry for the hassle, folks. Sorry for the inconvenience, I mean. Yes, I think here is it. Let me refresh it so that we can check that video out from, yeah, this is it. Let me
every piece
fast
of code
forward
that
it.
you develop
Sorry for the inconvenience, by the way. I am a human. Congratulations.
for your smart contracts, you will have associated test coverage with quite easily. And again, very much a requirement when you're developing enterprise level applications. And similarly, software essentially is never really finished, right? Like you ship a product and you're on a release cycle, and 2 weeks later, or 4 weeks later, or sometimes the next day, you ship an upgrade. Upgrading smart contracts has not really been solved very well until recently on many or any other blockchains. Casper ships with native upgradable contracts, meaning you're developing an enterprise software piece, and you need to ship version 1.1 of it. You can upgrade in protocol without all kinds of hacks and proxy contracts and all the different sort of weird constructs you see on other blockchains. Other things that are important, and I can go on and on. What's important in enterprises is things like access management and access rights, right? So, again, you see a lot of sort of custom and proprietary implementations of managing access to certain things in smart contracts on other platforms. None of them are native, meaning with every smart contract that tries to implement access rights, you have to audit those access rights if you are taking a responsible approach. Many people might not be the responsible approach kind of people, and end up with bugs or exploits in your access rights. So with Casper, again, this is something that's natively built into the protocol, allowing enterprises or just responsible smart contract developers to really implements access rights in a way that is natively secured.
So, folks, what do you guys like what Casper is cooking? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.